Well, getting out a package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Agilite. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items, Agilite. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay, so let's see here. Ooh. And got a manifest. Oh, even more stuff. Okay. I think that's everything. So I actually just ordered one thing, which was the Mechanix M-PACT Agilite Edition Large Multicam. So you can see here, it's a conjunction project between Agilite and Mechanix gloves. So you can see they're actually the Mechanix logo, kind of intermingled. Actually, it's a over stamping on top of the materials. That's interesting. Here we have some knuckle protection. And what's interesting about this edition is the shorter two-finger sections here that are then stitched to prevent fraying. So instead of having to slice off your fingertips for more tactile sensation, here you also have the thumbs end stitched as well with the protective additional layers on the palm side. You can see there, and also you can see Agilite edition there. You see here more feature description here. This being touch screen capable now, well, literally, because you don't have fingertips there. And let's see, even though the inside of here says Mechanix as well, it's kind of interesting. So taking a quick look at, looks like the large size Multicam Mechanix wear M-PACT for impact protection and Agilite edition gloves there. Now let's take a look at what else was included in here. So this, according to the manifest, is the Agilite logo sticker set. So this seems to be an extra thing thrown in here. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get this open if we can. Adhesive bag. And then we'll take out the contents really quickly. It's a tight fit. And there's a barcode there. So we can see here, we have a stock photo there, as well as a prayer in multiple languages for safe return. We also have, looks like, Multicam Scorpion sticker, as well as Mil-Spec Moses sticker. Very interesting. And then final item here is the Agilite Scorpion IR patch in black. So I'm not sure if this is actually available on the website, but this is actually available to T&E team members, of which I am one of which. So feel free to research how to become a member of their test and evaluation team. But this was a special offer for the T&E team members. So thank you very much. So working our way backwards, we have a black IR Scorpion patch. We have the Agilite logo sticker set. And we start off with the Agilite edition of the Mechanix Wear M-PACT gloves in Multicam. And these all, again, came from Agilite. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review meter reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.